something to kind of tinker on. This is a pretty cheap bullnose, and most of it pretty dry, not a rust bucket. Runs good, needs a little bit of work. 605-695